Today I am reviewing the Lenovo IdeaCentre all-in-one desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking to declutter your desk without sacrificing the screen real estate and productivity of a traditional desktop, an all-in-one computer is the perfect solution. Today, we are taking a close look at the Lenovo IdeaCentre all-in-one everyday use desktop. This machine is specifically engineered to combine your computer tower and monitor into a single, sleek, space-saving design. It aims to deliver reliable performance for families, remote workers, students, and everyday office environments. Let us start by looking at the heart of this machine, the display. The IdeaCentre features a beautiful 24-inch, full HD, anti-glare IPS display. Because it uses an IPS panel, you get wide viewing angles and exceptionally accurate color reproduction, featuring 99% sRGB color coverage. Whether you are editing family photos, watching high-definition videos, or working through vast spreadsheets, the visuals are incredibly sharp and vibrant. Lenovo also included an anti-glare coating on the glass, which is a massive lifesaver if your desk happens to be near a bright window or underneath harsh overhead office lighting. It reduces eye strain significantly during those long, multi-hour work sessions. Right above that gorgeous screen, you will find an integrated high-definition webcam, paired with a clear microphone and dual 2-watt stereo speakers featuring high-definition audio. This complete multimedia setup means you are fully ready for Zoom calls, online classes, and virtual meetings right out of the box, with no need to purchase expensive external accessories. Under the hood, the IdeaCentre is powered by an efficient Intel 4-core processor. Specifically, it uses the Intel N100 chip, which features 4 cores and 4 threads, pushing up to a 3.4 GHz turbo frequency. Now, this is not a heavy-duty gaming rig or a high-end video editing workstation, but it is not trying to be. Instead, it is highly optimized for daily computing. It handles web browsing with multiple tabs open, online streaming, data entry, and office productivity applications with absolute ease. What really makes this processor shine is the generous 16 GB of high-speed DDR4 memory. Having 16 GB of RAM ensures that your system remains snappy and responsive, allowing you to jump seamlessly between your web browser, email client, and word processor without any noticeable lag or stuttering. For storage, it comes equipped with a lightning-fast 512 GB solid-state drive. This PCIe SSD ensures that the computer boots up in just a few seconds and that your applications launch almost instantly. It also offers plenty of reliable storage space for your documents, media files, and daily business workloads. When it comes to connectivity, Lenovo did not cut any corners. The system comes equipped with modern Wi-Fi 6 technology and Bluetooth 5.2. This ensures that your wireless internet connection is fast, stable, and capable of handling high-bandwidth tasks like video conferencing and movie streaming without dropping out. Around the back, you will find a very generous selection of physical ports. This includes a high-speed USB Type-C port, multiple standard USB Type-A ports, a gigabit Ethernet jack for a hardwired internet connection, and a headphone jack. There is also an HDMI-out port, which means you can actually connect a secondary monitor to this computer, allowing you to create a highly productive dual-display workstation. Running on the modern Windows 11 Home operating system, the computer offers a clean, secure, and user-friendly interface right from the start. It also includes helpful security features like firmware TPM 2.0 and a physical Kensington lock slot to protect your device in public office spaces or reception counters. To make things even more convenient, the package comes complete with a matching USB keyboard and mouse, meaning you have everything you need to plug in and start working immediately. Overall, the Lenovo IdeaCentre all-in-one is a masterclass in practical, everyday design. It eliminates messy cables, saves precious desk space, and provides a perfectly balanced combination of memory, storage, and processing power for your daily life.